How to get NBA Live Mobile on your Android or iOS. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can download and install the NBA Live mobile game on your Android or iOS device quickly and easily. First of all, launch or open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in NBA Live and search. Now, look for the EA Sports NBA Live mobile application from the search result and tap on Install or Get. Wait for the application to install on your device, which will take several minutes. If you want to play NBA Live mobile on your device, then you need a stable internet connection. Ensure that you also have sufficient storage and keep your device updated. You'll need to sign in with your EA account or social login to save progress on NBA Live mobile. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be downloaded and you can tap the play button to launch the game open. So that is how you can easily download the NBA Live mobile application on your smartphone or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.